Hey Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here to present you a winner for the challenge that I hosted, for the New Year's challenge that I hosted for February, and it was an altered fan. And here's the three that entered: Miss Jacqueline Haley, Miss Karen Billinger, and Uniquely Yours from Dawn Marie. Now I'm gonna cut them out, fold them up, and put them in my little bucket here. And Miss Jackie's one I have to remove because she's already done the hosting for the challenge. So we're gonna put in Miss Karen Billinger and put the bucket here. I'm going to fold this up. There you go. And then Uniquely Yours by Dawn Marie. Okay. And let's see who our winner will be. And I really enjoyed this challenge with the altered fan and seeing the different styles and ways people craft. So I want to thank you all who entered. Ready? Here we go. Not looking. Mix and mix, 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 mix. Got one. Miss Karen Billinger. So you're our next host for March. And I can't wait to see what you come up with for your challenge. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Please hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Also, be kind to one another, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.